Ever felt nervous at a busy train station? Today, you'll master 100 essential transit words that will help you navigate any city in the world like a pro. Let's get started. Transit card. Transit card. You must tap your transit card. Top up. Top up. I need to top up soon. Bus stop. Bus stop. Wait at the bus stop now. Transfer. Transfer. Where is the next bus transfer? Fare. Fare. How much is the bus fare? Subway. Subway. The subway is very fast today. Schedule. Schedule. Please check the bus schedule online. Commuter. Commuter. Many commuters travel every morning. Route. Route. This route goes to the center. Platform. Platform. Stand behind the yellow line. Delay. Delay. There is a 10-minute delay. Monthly pass. Monthly pass. My monthly pass is still valid. Inspector. Inspector. Show your ticket to the inspector. Seat. Seat. Is this seat free for me? Validation. Validation. Don't forget your ticket validation. Terminal. Terminal. The bus arrives at the terminal. Announcement. Announcement. Listen to the loud station announcement. Arrival. Arrival. The arrival time is 5 p.m. Departure. Departure. Check the departure board for details. Destination. Destination. What is your final destination today? If you find this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to English Dream. Peak hour. Peak hour. Avoid traveling during peak hour. Off-peak. Off-peak. Off-peak tickets are much cheaper. Connection. Connection. I missed my train connection. Tap. Tap. Tap your phone on the reader. Balance. Balance. Your card balance is very low. Vending machine. Vending machine. Use the vending machine for tickets. Lost and found. Lost and found. Go to the lost and found. Priority seat. Priority seat. Give this priority seat to elders. Crowd. Crowd. The morning crowd is very big. Queue. Queue. Please wait in the ticket queue. Board. Board. Passengers should board the bus now. Alight. Alight. Please alight from the rear door. Entrance. Entrance. The entrance is around the corner. Exit. Exit. Follow the signs to the exit. Shuttle. Shuttle. Take the free airport shuttle bus. Express. Express. The express train does not stop. Local. Local. The local bus stops everywhere. Zone. Zone. This station is in Zone 2. refund, refund. Can I get a ticket refund? Validity, validity. Check the validity of your pass. Expiration, expiration. When is the card expiration date? Discount, discount. Students get a special price discount. Token, token. Insert the plastic token here. Kiosk, kiosk. Buy a map at the kiosk. Navigator, navigator. Use the navigator for easy travel. Download the local city transport app to see live bus locations and save time. Light rail, light rail. The light rail is very quiet. Tram, tram. The tram moves through the city. Ferry, ferry. We take the ferry across water. Trolleybus, trolleybus. The trolleybus uses electric wires overhead. Double-decker, double-decker. Sit upstairs on the double-decker bus. Driver, driver. Ask the driver for help politely. Passenger, passenger. Every passenger must have a ticket. Handle, handle. Hold the handle while standing up. Stairs, stairs. Be careful on the wet stairs. Elevator, elevator. Use the elevator for heavy bags. Map, map. Look at the transit system map. Mobile app, mobile app. Open the mobile app for updates. GPS, GPS. The bus uses GPS for tracking. Traffic, traffic. Heavy traffic causes many delays. Signal, signal. Wait for the green walking signal. Pedestrian, pedestrian. This bridge is for pedestrians only. Sidewalk, sidewalk. Walk safely on the wide sidewalk. Bicycle lane, bicycle lane. Do not walk in the lane. Scooter, scooter. You can rent an electric scooter. Emergency, emergency. Press the emergency button for help. Always carry a little cash, just in case the card reader fails. Button, button. Press the button to stop here. Bell, bell. Listen for the bus stop bell. Screen, screen. Check the screen for station names. QR code, QR code. Scan the QR code for info. Contactless, contactless. I prefer using contactless payment methods. Officer, officer. The security officer is near us. Stroller, stroller. Please move your stroller for space. Luggage rack, luggage rack. Put your bag on the rack. Whistle, whistle. The guard blew a loud whistle. Horn, horn. The driver used the loud horn. Brake, brake. The train used the emergency brake. Speed, speed. The bus moves at high speed. Tunnel. Tunnel. The subway goes through a tunnel. Bridge. Bridge. The train crosses the long bridge. Rail. Rail. Do not touch the third rail. Track. Track. The train is on track 4. Journey. Journey. Enjoy your long city journey today. Trip. Trip. How was your morning commute trip? Travel. Travel. I love to travel by train. Tourist. Tourist. Many tourists use the city bus. Information desk. Information desk. Ask at the big information desk. Timetable. Timetable. The timetable changed last week. Gate. Gate. Go through the automatic ticket gate. Turnstile. Turnstile. Push the metal turnstile to enter. Railing. Railing. Hold the railing on the stairs. In English-speaking countries, mind the gap means watch the space between the train and platform. Deck. Deck. The ship has a sun deck. Window. Window. Look through the large bus window. Door. Door. Stand away from the closing doors. Aisle. Aisle. Please do not block the aisle. Ventilation. Ventilation. The train has good air ventilation. Air conditioning. Air conditioning. The air conditioning feels very cold. Heater. Heater. Turn on the heater this winter. Warning. Warning. Read the safety warning sign clearly. Fine. Fine. You must pay a heavy fine. Safety. Safety. Your safety is our main priority. You're now ready for your next journey. Which word was new for you? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to English Dream, and I'll see you in the next lesson.